Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Netflix account password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'll start by showing you how to do this on the web. Open up a browser and head to netflix.com. Sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Now click your profile image from the top right of the screen and then choose Account. From your account page here, you can click Change Password. Enter your current password followed by your new password and then hit Save. Your Netflix password has been updated. To do this on the app, click the More button at the bottom right. Now tap Account. From the account page, click on Change Password. Enter your current password followed by your new password and then hit Save. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Netflix tips and tricks.